Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. This video is all about directory structure in Linux operating systems, and if you are planning or want to shift from Windows to Linux or Mac to Linux, then this video will help you to get better understanding of Linux directory structure. As if you come from different OS and if you make your mind to shift to Linux OS, then the first thing you notice is the Linux system structure is quite different. There are no C drive or D drive. You see some folder with different name as root or bin. These folders are directly in Linux operating system. But it is quite similar with Windows, as in C drive you have all data related to configuration, users, etc. And same in Linux, as all data related to configuration or user are stored in slash. Now, in this video, I'll talk about the meaning of each directory you see in slash. So, let's get started. So, the first directory is root /root. So, this is the super user home directory, and only the super user, which is root in Linux, has the right privilege under this directory. It contains all files and directory linked or connected with the root user. Now, the second directory, that is /home. It contains general user home directory. It is for all users to store their personal files. As example, /home and /username. Third is /etc. It contains configuration file required by all programs. This also contains startup and shutdown shell scripts used to start and stop individual programs. So the next is /user. It contains documentation of user apps. You find bin as bin lib directory under /user. Next is /lib or /lib64. It contains shared library or kernel modules. Extension for library and kernel is .so and .ko. Also contain library files that support the binary located under /bin and /sbin. Sixth directory is /bin. It contains general user commands. Common Linux commands you need in single user mode are located under this directory. Commands used by all users of the system are located here. Next is /sbin. This directory is similar to /bin. It contains system admin and super user commands. Next is /tmp, that is temp. It contains temporary files, usually from the name. These files are generally deleted whenever your system restarted. As when you restart your system, these files deleted every time. Next is /boot. It contains kernel and supporting files, and it contains the file needed to boot the system. For example, GRUB BOOTLOADER'S files and your Linux kernel are stored here. If by any chance you make changes in the /boot directory, it will affect booting of the system. Next is /dev. It contains device funds. /dev contains number of special files that represent devices. These are not the actual files, but they appear as a files. For example, /dev/sta represent the first SATA drive in your system. The next is /var. It contains logs and cache files. Next is /sys or proc. It contains virtual file system. /mnt. mnt named as mount. /mount is a temporary mount point. The next is /run. Application state file. It is also called as application state file. It gives application a standard place to store transient files they require, like sockets and process IDs. The last is /srv. Service data. It contains the data for service provided by the system. And note one thing, if any directory other than /root and /home directories can be deleted, system can't be able to boot. And this is all about the directory structure in Linux. And this is the end of the video. So if you like my video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel techyrators, and also click the bell icon to get all updates of my channel. And for now, bye bye.